Have you ever wondered why satellites fall after launch? Let's take a moment to explore this intriguing question. Satellites, those technological marvels soaring above us, serve a vital purpose. They are our eyes and ears in the sky, enabling everything from weather forecasting to global communication. You'd think that once these machines are launched into space, they'd stay there, defying gravity and orbiting our Earth indefinitely. But here's the thing, satellites don't always remain aloft as we might expect. This is not due to some fundamental flaw in their design or a failure in their launch. Rather, it's part of the complex and fascinating science of space exploration. You see, our understanding of satellites and their behavior in space is often clouded by misconceptions. You might think that once a satellite is launched, it should stay up in the sky, right? Well, things are a bit more complicated than that. And we're about to delve into just how complicated it can be. To understand why satellites fall, we first need to know a little about gravity and the Earth's atmosphere. Imagine gravity as a tightrope walker's pole. When the pole leans too far to one side, the tightrope walker falls. Similarly, gravity pulls everything towards the center of the Earth, so when a satellite is launched, gravity is always trying to pull it back down. Now picture a swimmer trying to tread water. The swimmer constantly needs to move to stay afloat. In a similar way, satellites need to move at a high speed to stay in orbit and resist the pull of gravity. This is typically around 17,500 miles per hour. However, even at such high speeds, satellites can't completely escape the Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere extends hundreds of miles above the Earth, and it's not completely empty. There are tiny particles of air there. And just like a swimmer moving through water, a satellite moving through these particles experiences drag. This drag slows down the satellites over time. As they slow down, they can't resist gravity as effectively. And eventually, they start to fall back to Earth. So, in short, satellites fall because of the Earth's gravity and atmospheric drag, but don't worry, it's all part of the plan. You might be wondering, why launch a satellite if it's going to fall back to Earth? Well, this seemingly paradoxical action is simply a part of the satellite's life cycle, meticulously calculated and planned for. It isn't a symbol of failure, but a testament to the precision of modern science. This process aids in reducing space debris, ensuring our orbit remains uncluttered for future explorations and satellite deployments. So next time you hear about a satellite falling from the sky, remember, it's not a disaster, it's science at work.